What's up, guys? Well, this is another video. This is actually for a CLS 500/06, and actually this is the car that I've been waiting for, that I mentioned to you guys. The new member of the family. Here it is. Repainted. Everything is like spotless, and I'm actually working on it already. And there you go. Had like a few dents, I mean like really bad. So we decided to repaint her everything, so everything is like spotless, guys. So what we're doing today is actually like I said, I always go to junkyard if you can find it. Why not? We can actually car cover inside where we had the car. I don't know what he did. And I know he had like big wheels on it too, so the whole thing came apart. So I went to the junkyard and I have actually just found one CLS 500. There's not many out there, and you can see he really ripped that out too. I'll change that later. This I already did it myself. I didn't post a video of that, but I got the other one from the junkyard, which is still like brand new, and I'm gonna post it out there and show you guys how to do it. And I noticed that the actual tabs are still there, which is good. I actually, since I went to the junkyard, I know I got them all, but they're all here. Awesome. All right, let's get this started and then we get this going. So this is the one. Let's see. All right. So this one is gonna go in this way. It's gonna go in here like that. Like that. I gotta take those tabs out. And we'll start putting it one by one. Alright, hold on, guys. Alright, let's take the tabs out. I got a 10mm socket. I'm going to take the tabs to get this going out of here. And they're plastic, so they're not really like just plastic ones. This one. This one up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys can see it. This one, I'm not sure if this is actually kind of bent. I don't know why. But we'll find out when. Ooh, this one won't go in. Alright, let's take the other one here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you can. Alright, that's another one. Oh, no, went that way. Okay, and then there's another one in here. Right there, we got this. Get this tab out of there. And then there's this one right here. Oh, gotta pull that out. Let me get my tools for that. Where's the other one? You can use one of these. First, you want to get the tab out. Let's see, pull it out. Put this out, and then you can take it out. And you just pull it. There you go. Alright, we got that. Now we want to bring in the. Oh yeah, let's take this one out. That's a 10. Get my tool. Here. Get that small one. There it is. Small wrench. Get it in there. This was really in there. Alright. there's another tab right here. Oh, pushed it in. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you can. I want to get this out. Pull the middle one out. I do have the right tool for that. I don't know where it's at. So we got that tab out. We're good. Nothing up here. Nothing on the side. So now let's bring it in. I'll slide this in. Nice. Slowly. Oh, that's a lot of dust. It sure does. Okay. So you want to do is like tuck it in. You guys can see that. Let me tilt this camera back for you guys. Let's just leave it like that. Alright, let me tuck this in. There it goes. Now, of course, you want to find where those tabs are at. Some will be difficult, but some, you know, they'll be right there. See the right way? Which one is this way? There we go. Just one tap here. Okay. Alright. That's one. I can't find the other one. So this one looks like it did get bent. It should be back here. So I gotta bend that down. This one right here. This one actually has two tabs. Alright, so I gotta slide everything in first. That's the way it should be. Alright, let me take a look at the other side. Alright, so I did have to bend that down. Here, let me show you. Mine was facing down. It's facing up. So I got a plier. Twist it down. So as you can see, everything's going in place. Just a little push. They should slide back once you get everything inside. Make sure you put everything inside. See, this tab went in already. This one's in. This one's in. This tab went into right here. And then we just put the plastic tabs, and then, you know, that should be it. You know, put this in here like that. Just tuck it in slowly. You will get dirty, I'll tell you that much. Tuck it in, nice and tucked in, slowly. There you go. Tuck it in. Oh. Tuck it in. There you go. Push, and down. See the tab? Now you can see the tab. Alright guys, so just put everything back together, which is with the plastic tabs that you know we took off earlier. And that's how you put the, you know, the back cover of the wheel. Alright. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you all. And hit me up if you have any questions. And God bless you all. Thanks.